If you're considering starting your own flock of chickens, congratulations! Raising chickens can be a fun and rewarding experience, and can provide you with fresh eggs, companionship, and a sense of satisfaction. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to get started with raising chickens. 1. Research local laws and regulations. The first step in starting your own flock of chickens is to research your local laws and regulations. In many cities and towns, there are specific rules and regulations that dictate the number of chickens you can keep, as well as requirements for coops, fencing, and other safety measures. Check with your local government to ensure that you're allowed to keep chickens in your area and to find out what the regulations are. 2. Decide on your goals. Before you start raising chickens, it's important to decide on your goals. Are you primarily interested in having fresh eggs? Do you want to raise chickens for meat? Are you looking for companionship? Once you've determined your goals, you can choose the breeds of chickens that will best meet those goals. 3. Choose a breed. There are many different breeds of chickens to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and qualities. Some breeds are better suited to egg production, while others are raised primarily for meat. Some popular breeds for egg-laying include Leghorns, Rhode Island Reds, and Plymouth Rocks. Some popular meat breeds include Cornish Cross and broilers. 4. Purchase your chickens. Once you've decided on the breeds you want, you can purchase your chickens. You can buy day-old chicks, pullets, young female chickens, or mature birds. If you're new to raising chickens, it's recommended that you start with day-old chicks, as they're easier to handle and raise. 5. Set up a coop. Your chickens will need a safe and comfortable place to live, known as a cooperative. The coop should be well ventilated, secure, and spacious enough to accommodate your birds comfortably. It should also have nesting boxes where your hens can lay their eggs. You can purchase a pre-made coop or build your own, depending on your budget and skill level. 6. Provide food and water. Your chickens will need access to clean water and nutritious food to stay healthy and productive. Chickens can eat a variety of grains, vegetables, and fruits, as well as commercial feed that is specifically formulated for their nutritional needs. It's important to provide fresh water and food on a regular basis, and to make sure that your birds have access to it at all times. 7. Care for your birds. Chickens are relatively low-maintenance animals, but they do require some basic care to stay healthy and happy. You'll need to clean the coop regularly, collect eggs daily, and monitor your birds for signs of illness or injury. You may also need to trim their wings or beaks, and provide them with dust baths to keep their feathers clean and healthy. 8. Plan for predators. Chickens are vulnerable to a variety of predators, including raccoons, foxes, and coyotes. It's important to take steps to protect your birds from these threats, such as installing fencing around your coop, using predator-proof locks, and providing your chickens with a secure area to roost at night. 9. Enjoy your eggs. One of the biggest benefits of raising chickens is the fresh eggs that they produce. Depending on the breed of chicken you choose, you can expect to get several eggs per week. Fresh eggs are delicious and nutritious, and can be used in a variety of recipes. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and share them with family and friends. 10. Join a community. Raising chickens can be a lot of fun, and there are many communities of chicken enthusiasts around the world.